guys, so amazing.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky.
Alright guys, we made this. In my opinion, it looks like a satellite, but it's not. It's a torchlight. We made the biggest torchlight ever. So alright guys, so we have to wait until the night, then we will light the torch. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So alright guys, it's now night and now we are going to start the game. In 3, 2, 1, go! That was so amazing guys, so amazing! As you guys can see, it looks like a day, and that is so amazing. Come to the front. Alright guys, the camera isn't auto mode, that's why you can't see anything. So when I turn on the auto mode, alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is the light, and look at this, it looks like spaceship. As you guys can see, it's so bright, it's so bright. Now the camera is on auto mode, that's why you guys can see. So alright guys, now I'm going to show you all around.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
This is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. So this is Lord of Experience. My name is Karra and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.